Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to draw Supergal from Stumble Guys, and I'm going to start with some construction lines. So basically get where her head is. Now her head and her body are pretty similar heights, so that's why I'm sort of putting these proportions on. And her shoulders just come out there, and this will be one arm. And I'm just drawing the basic basis of her on, and this will be her other arm, which is sort of tucked in behind her body, and you can see that I'm using a mechanical pencil and drawing fairly lightly. The reason I'm using pencil is to get all the proportions correct first and then put the detail in, not the other way around. We don't want to start with the detail and not have it looking correct. So mapping it on, planning it out, making it look great first. So that's where her boots are going to be. That's about the right size. And this is where her cape front will be as well. So that's about the right distance. Yep. And her hair, I'm just going to put on where her fringe is. And then this is a little part of her decorations up there. And then another part of her hair coming out there. And up and around. And then this is the other side of her hair coming around there like that. Cape, roughly where her eyes are going to be. One there, one there. I'm going to use a 0.5 and I'm going to start with the details. And I'm going to start with this part of her hair, and I've just made it a little bit thinner because I've had another look and I think it's a bit thinner. And another piece of hair comes up through there. Now she's got really light hair in my picture that I'm looking at. So I'm not going to put too many hairlines in, and that comes up and around. Then we've got her fringe hair part there, and this is the other part of her fringe comes across and then back up like that. And then she's got a big piece of hair that comes around and down there. And this is the side of her head. Let's bring her head in and around. Okay, now this is the part of her headpiece coming around like that, and the red part in there. Now I reckon I have drawn her eyes a little bit too tall, so I'm just going to make them a bit shorter. 1, 2, and colour those in. Okay, I'm just going to put a couple of little necklines on there, one there and one there. And then she's got this part that comes down and around, that's her neckline, like that. Now let's draw her shoulder coming out and down, and her other shoulder coming out and down to about there. So notice I've got them the same. Now we've got this front part of her cape coming down, and then it forms into a bit of a V shape like that, and then this one comes back up and around like this. Now she's got the letters SG, and we've got to make them look good. So starting with the S, and try and keep all them the same sort of thickness. Now it does get a little bit wider at the top. Now remember, you can pinch and zoom in on these if you need to, if you're on a phone or a tablet. Okay, the G, the bottom of the G comes around, comes back up. Same height as there, so that's where I bring the G in, back up, and around, and a little kink down like that. So SG for Supergal. She's got a cape in behind there. You see a bit of cape and a bit of hair. This is all cape in behind here, and then this is her hair that will come down. We'll just put another part of her hair there. Now we're going to put on her arm. So her arm comes down like that. Now her glove comes around, up, down, and around like that. And then this part of her glove comes down and around, and then we've got her thumb like this. On the other side, you see a little bit more of her outfit like that, and come down. So that's her chest, waist, then turning into the leg. Now on the other side of here, we're going to draw the same sort of thing, like that. And because it's tucked in behind here, it's just a curve coming around like this. And there's her hand there and her other hand. Now let's draw her crotch area, and then her leg comes around like so. Same on the other side, line like that. Let's draw this part of her leg. Now in there is going to be cape. The cape comes down and it finishes in there. Now let's draw her boot. Then a little part, little highlight on her boot. This comes down, around, and back up, and then her boot comes out there like that. And now this one, she has a little highlighted bit there, comes down and around and then out for the pointy part of the toe, comes in, and then this is the top part of the boot. And there we have Supergal. I'm going to outline Supergal with a thicker pen just to go around her, make her stand out, and I'm just going to speed that up.